Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XLM. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price and of XLM was once again bounced from the support of a down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. And this is the last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we take the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after this bounce, in fact, the price would fake out from this channel and re-entered the price and was once again rejected. And now again, read your resistance of this channel and break it out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would like to show you this previous breakout from this channel that is happening here on the daily time frame chart. You can see that after the breakout from this channel for the past several weeks, it is getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. Rejections here, and this is a recent rejection. And also could not break out this resistance starts from 45 cents and goes to 50 cents. By the way, we have also broken out this resistance of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well, and that is now acting as a very, very strong support. However, after this recent rejection by this resistance line from 45 to 51 cents, the price has again broken down this support, this red line that is the EMA 21. For the past several days, it was working as a support. Before that, for several days a week, it had been working as a resistance. And now again, it is flipped into a resistance after the breakdown. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade setup for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that was a very long-term trade signal. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% very, very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Maker, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that XLM formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair, and therefore it was a quite long-term trade setup because it was formed on the monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone here. And so far, it has produced more than 400% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar. And first of all, let me to show the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this down channel. And now recently, it is once again read the resistance of the channel. By the way, recently we had a fake out from this down channel, but the price was re-entered the channel. And now for the past several hours, it is trying to break it out. For example, if we will have another rejection, then this time it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 35 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance, the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 51 cents. That is also the top of this very, very strong resistance zone as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents. And it is also getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. Therefore, now to continue the rally to the upside that was begun here after the breakout from this recent down channel, we will need to break out this resistance line and this uptrend line resistance as well. And first, we will need to break out this smaller down channel, and this red line, the exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 resistance as well. By the way, we also have a very, very nice support of Ichimoku bullish cloud that was previously breaking out the resistance, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 63 cents. And now let's move to the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that we have the formation of a very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And we broke out this wedge, by the way, here in the month of March 2023. And after the breakout, we had a very, very nice rally. And we are now very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.